Hey guys, welcome once again to another episode of Bars Beats. We'll do some of the baddest reviews round here. Now today, in the program, we are going to review this song. It's called Scream by the great Jah Vinci. Jah Vinci, long time when I see him in the space still, but you know him there about? And right now, him do a song when me consider to be a banger. So, I want to decode it and to give you my views, and I want to tell me what you think about it. So, you wanna, without further ado, let's hit it.
So she feel like it, we're tired of the boring thing. Was some excitement in my blame her, both folk crew and the arguments pointless. Him know she have the tightest, comparing her friend white men's come home, drop a sleep like where.
Well, man, can't make you run too far, you know, cause me I figure the whole of the lines and when I say. So, right now, when you see it start, you know say, as some cheating Jah Vinci I deal with.
I'm fire!
Some man, woman, him a go free ground. I'm fire! Jah Vinci, watch yourself, you know, brother. Anyway, yes. So, as I hear the opening of the song, we must say, so she come in, she boring, tired of the whole warring, want some excitement in her life. So, it's speaking about a lady where is with this, with her man, and all she do is living a monotonous type of life. Where she come in from work, go on a bed, get up, go on a work, bed, work. Nothing extra now go on in night. Cause all this a man do, come in, come sleep too, and go party with him friends them, in her friends them white beds. So, him now I go fit in the role there. So me make you see what him I go do too.
She tell me that she had me up for one back it up, try to rip up my gun in a but she done with the boy a crosses in come pick it up, she come for the phone. Yeah, man, I really worried and talk.
Jah Vinci. She tell him that I see a man, woman, you know. Jah Vinci, you see you? Tell him, say she, honey, see? And you fuck. Yeah, man, honey. She want the jaws drop a dot and in gone in her gut. When he say gone in her gut, he mean him penis gone up in her vagina, which is up in her belly. What you must say? You understand? Hold on pan her ear and hey, I saw. Hey, I saw serious way Jah Vinci I go out with it now. Yeah, man, and turn her back way and want some backers. Yeah, man, you a freak out, you know. You see life for a freak up. Anyway, and them sitting there girl they love you, you know. They tell you the truth because this song here, I go out with thick.
In fit girls, mama put up on a backers and pull back her hair, make she scream. She say, baby, please, just want some.
Hey, the man make a cheating sound so much fun, you know. Right now, when man sing a song, me I say, Jesus, it's come like one of my days there in my time when me I beat it, you know, brother. Hey, boy, Jah Vinci can sing still. Me really and truly say, Jah Vinci should have, well, me like how him venture in that part, yeah, because most of him songs them are cultural thing and one and two badness. As we know, we don't know if a lot of you know, he is one of the proteges of Vybz Cartel from the Portmore Empire days, Gaza, and that thing he sort of estranged from the group, you know. Still, me don't know, because we know when Vybz Cartel was released, we know see no video or no pictures with both of them. And you know, so every time Vybz Cartel go link up when I'm bridging them or when I'm fast associates them, him put a video out. So, or a picture. So we not see none with him and him. Anyway, I saw where I deal with. You see say me not red and you see what me now?
Love no, but don't fall in love no. Rose broke when we are fuck grown. She a scream out, she a come low. Make she scream, baby please. Just want some love no, but don't fall in love no. Rose broke when we are fuck grown. She a scream out, she a come low. Tell me say she just made skin smooth and she feel good, pussy clean and it.
Hold on, you rush this up. Calm down, let me talk to you. Yes, so like a further to the story. So, I cheating, and the rules in the cheating, in most cheating is that you don't fall in love.
I'm fire!
Because you know, I know fear woman, and he is not fear man. Is it so? You have to make sure you know, say, I just want to link up, do some things, go back to your man, and go back to your woman. And that him I say, we don't want to fall in love, but we have some passionate time. And all man a sing a song. You see, to all man sing a song, you come like a something really matter about still. Trust me, man, the man have put some note in there right now, me I tell you say truth. He hold me, the song hold me. Me I tell you the truth. Yeah, so, make we hear a side story now.
Just share, she do make she a complain. Say she sexually frustrated. This a boy I must be a alien. When love gear make a next man a get no brains.
Well, so, he must say she shout him till I say she just beard. You see how life funny though? You see the difference between a man and a woman. The woman just tell the man say she just beard, you know. And I can't to her and say the pum pum shave it clean and it shave. A woman can tell a man that. I mean I tell you say the man left. The man would have left from China or the other part of the world. Just to that. Lie. If a man ever tell a woman say, yo, you know say me just beard, I may shave. No mind sharp. No mind sharp, FBI, CIA, KGB. Go feed me now. It's sexual harassment, you know. You say, oh man, powerful. Anyway, that she tell him. So him now, a cussy man under him breath based on the song I say. He must say he shouldn't make the girl a complain. Zane, he shouldn't make the girl a complain because she's sexually frustrated. The next time we'll come up after it, he might go say, all EA, no saying love game. You see your bride? You see your hot harder? You want Javi? You see your hot harder? Anyway, could you hear yourself? Go back.
She sexually frustrated. This a boy I must be a alien. When love gear make a next man a get no brains. She tell me that she had the fuck who want back it up and try to rip up my gun in a but she done with the boy a crosses in.
Hold on, you go back in that thing. So, him say EA, all EA. And you know EA is a game. It makes game like football, baseball, basketball, cricket. Yeah, games. So he must say all EA no saying love game. See, him are making girl get enough brains. And you know him a talk about brains what I mean. She a get head. Yes, so yep, and we are going in a chorus now. So running night.
Back it up and try to rip up my gun in a but she done with the boy a crosses in. Come pick it up, she come for the fuck. Yeah, bother with the worrying and talking fit deals. One more put up on a buckers and pull back her hair. Make she scream, scream, scream. She say, baby, please. Just want some love, no, but don't fall in love, no. Rose broke when we are fuck grown. She a scream out, she a come low. Make she scream. Some love, no, but don't fall in love, no. Rose broke when we are fuck grown. She a scream out, she a come low.
Yes, at the end of the song that, so I guess you know I hear my full package of assessment. The song was produced by Not Nice, done by Jah Vinci. Now, what this song tells me is that you see sin, our sinfulness, is sweet or frig. Because I tell you say, when you listen to this song, you know, although you know say when Jah Vinci sing, he rang, you know. He sang so much, capture you. It captures you so much that you forget say a wrongs him a sing about. A man, woman, he might go frig road, you know. For a counsel, Jah Vinci, why you not counsel the woman and tell her say, yo, baby, buy some better panty. Go down a Victoria's Secret, man. See? Go buy some panty. Jane are sweeten up man. Maybe have some big panty she wear in her house. And the man just can't bother you know and complain to her and then mash up her self-esteem. Zane, you're God in a man life. Suppose man catch your brother. You're not fear woman. You please another man woman. Zane, because she sexually frustrated. And you don't know if you're a woman sexually frustrated, brother. You see your life, brother. Anyway. We just have put some spanner in a machine here, sir. A big song, Javi. Big song. I love this song. I tell you the truth. Me 2 thumbs up. Big song, and I hope that song I reach further than expected. I hope this one is your biggest song here. Yes. But enough respect. More I don't think about it here. Peace and love. Duke Creek out and another bars. Beat.